Hello there. Welcome to another unboxing. Today I'm unboxing October's horror pack. If I remember correctly, that's what one it is. Since I think September's was last month. Okay. As always, they double pack it or whatever. Grab this one. And this one is Night Stalker. Never heard of this one. From the director of The Boogeyman, inspired by the true story of the most publicized and deranged serial killer known to everyone as Night Stalker. He stalked and killed relentlessly, keeping the cities of San Francisco and Los Angeles terrified. Ah, looks interesting. That's what that looks like. There's the back of it. Grab this one next. Oh, nice. Psycho Goreman. I already have this on DVD, but this is nice to have it on Blu-ray. And on the back it says, two precious siblings, Mimi, I have no clue if I said that correctly, and Luke, unwittingly resurrect a wicked alien overlord who was entombed on Earth millions of years ago for attempting to destroy the universe. They nickname the evil creature Psycho Goreman, or PG for short, and use a spellbinding amulet they discover to force him to obey their childish whims. It isn't long before PG's reappearance draws the attention of intergalactic friends and foes. Soon a rogues gallery of combatants converge on a small town, suburbia, where much blood will be spilt in order to determine the fate of the entire cosmos. Anyways, that's what that looks like. There's the back of it. I like that cover. That cover's pretty cool. What is this one? Why? And this is the Horde Pack Limited Edition. Writer Blake Sinclair picked the wrong weekend to get away. Isolated at a remote cabin, she soon finds herself in a fight for her life against a bloodthirsty maniac who has left multiple victims in his wake as he kills his way through the mountain town of Northdale. That's what that looks like. It's a pretty interesting cover. There's the back. And then, ooh, nice. Triple feature horror volume 2. And it's got Scar, unrated director's cut, Terror Trap, a midnight movie. Interesting. Okay, what does it say about Scar? In Scar, Joan escapes a local undertaker who mutilates and tortures teenage girls. Upon her return to the town, 16 years later, a copycat emerges and all clues lead back to the mentally fragile Joan. Terror Trap. Follow Dawn and Nancy, stranded travelers who must stay in a nearby motel waiting for their car to be repaired. Their typical night turns horrific as they must fight to survive or be the next victims of the Terror Trap. Midnight Movie. A midnight showing of an early 1970s horror movie turns to chaos when the killer from the movie emerges out of the film to attack those in the theater. Interesting. Anyways, that's what that looks like. The back isn't that interesting, so I won't show that. But yeah, if you like the video, leave a like, share with your friends, and I'll leave a link down below so you can get a Horde pack if you feel like it, and that's all for now.